What's up, guys? I am up here on Clark right now. You know what I've noticed here in the past month or two, maybe like the past month, I've noticed these blue taxis. They're called blue taxis. Been noticing them all over the place here in Angeles City. I talked to one of the taxi cab drivers yesterday, and he told me their main hub is up here on Clark. So I wanted to come up here, get some information on it, because people are always, wondering, hey, what type of transportation can I take here in Clark, in Angeles City? But these guys are new. Blue Taxi. Here's their rates. 40 pesos for a flag down. I goes, hey, pick me up. 40 pesos. 13 pesos for every additional kilometer, and they get 2 pesos per minute. So if the traffic is bad, then it's 2 pesos per minute. They're new. This one up here in this area is they can only go in Region 3. They can't go outside Region 3. They also have another blue taxi, same company down in, I think it's Davao. Maybe it's Davao. Anyways, they're up here. And like I said, you see them all over. Out of the airport. They have lines out of the airport. When you land here in Angeles at the airport, they're at the airport, so you can get them and use them. She told me every single driver has a background screening. Next month, she told me that they are going to be hooked up with Grab Taxi, so you'll be able to use them out of here or out of Grab Taxi. But anyways, let me walk up. They have 100 cabs. She told me they have another 100 on order. But anyways, let me show you here. We'll go this way. Show you them right here. These are the guys right here. These are the ones you see around. And if you live here in Angeles City, you do see them. I've seen them outside the mall. Savers, whatever the grocery store is. They sit right there. They pick up, and they're constantly moving. They're constantly moving through. You see the parking lot here is empty because they're out. And like I said, this is their main hub. They run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So yeah, you see them, flag them down. She also told me, helicopter. I gotta get the helicopter in. Southeast Asian Games are going on. She also told me that they rent cars also. The guy that's in charge of rentals is not here right now. But there it is. There's the blue taxi. These are the cars she told me they rent. These black ones right here. Hello? Yeah, she said that they rent these out. And they have contracts with some of the hotels inside Clark here. I think like Wittes and a couple other ones. But anyways, guys, if you need a ride from the airport now and you can't wait for Grab or whatever, or try these guys out. Like I said, I see them running all over. People are using them. Those were the prices, like I said, 40 pesos just to flag it down, 13 for each additional kilometer, and then she said they get 2 pesos per minute, I guess when the traffic is bad. So there it is, guys, blue taxi. All right, guys, I am outside the entrance to the airport here in Angeles City. Here are all your blue cabs. The new blue taxis. Here they are. They're lined up. Okay, as one leaves, one goes in. So they are down there at the airport waiting for people to come in. I talked to one of the drivers from pickup at the airport to Walking Street, which is what a lot of people will use that are coming into Angeles City. He told me 150 pesos. 150 pesos is what they charge coming in or coming from Clark International Airport to the Walking Street. Very friendly guys. Oh, and guys, don't forget to tip them. But here they are. They're all lined up. They are ready to go. And you got the yellow cab here. He's the only one sitting here. He's all by himself. Yellow cab. And from my understanding, could be wrong, somebody told me they get 500 pesos. Yellow cab from Clark up to the walking street. See, these guys have never had competition like this. And I'm glad that these guys are in. They're giving competition at a reasonable rate, I think. So there it is, 150. 150 pesos. All right, guys, I'm gonna do my daily walk today. I'm up here in Hensonville right now. There's some things that have changed here. So I figured, you know what, I'm up here. I had to pick up Hannah Grace. Hannah Grace was at church. Picked her up, and we're gonna walk up to the 7-Eleven here. Yeah, there's a 7-Eleven now here in Hensonville. But it's been it's been a while since I walked down through here. I'm gonna show you some of the new things that are up here in Hensonville. I think they call this Zeppelin Street. I think, I'm not sure. But anyways, here they got this Amora Condotel. That is brand new within the past year. That used to be an empty vacant lot ever since I can remember, but now it is an Amora Condotel and restaurant. That's new. They got this fencing up here. They just put this fencing up here about a week ago, and I don't know why. Maybe they think they're gonna be able to control the traffic through here. I have no clue. CCTV camera up there now, and it's moving. It's actually twisting and turning, and it stopped. So somebody's working that right now. But all right, we're gonna walk this way. Told Hannah Grace we'll walk to the 7-Eleven, get her an ice cream, soda, whatever she wants. But all the people are doing now is, they're just coming up right here and doing a U-turn. But anyways, here it is, Amora Condotel. Have no clue what it's about or how much they charge or anything like that. This here is new too. Right here's, I don't remember it. Bellissima pizza, pasta and steak. I don't remember that being here. Yeah, Zeppelin Street, that's it. Sign says 8 Zeppelin Street, Hensonville, Alabañas. All right. Sunday, everything is closed. It's a travel and tour. Oh, a vape shop. Found a new vape shop. Driven by it 100 times, but never knew it was there. Another pizza joint. Yeah. Bellissima Deli House. What else? AJBGB Best Grill and Bar. Established 2019. So that is new. Got some stormtroopers in there. Got Luigi in there. Come stay. I know Hannah Grace is getting upset because I'm vlogging. Stay there, Pim. Because I'm vlogging. I've seen it, so I figured I want to come in here. Super Mario Brothers, stormtroopers, Luigi. This is a restaurant. Yeah, established 2019, so this is new. Got some Rubik's Cubes. Got Hannah Grace across the street, waiting patiently. Paisanos, this place is not new. I've had their pizza from there. It's pretty good. Paisanos, and they deliver. Touched by a Rose, that's not new that I'm aware of. There's Hannah Grace over there. Snowman Laundry. think that's self-service laundry. Brasilia Indian restaurant. Barbarino's Steakhouse and Pub. You guys remember the street was really beat up through here? Oh, they finally fixed it. It's been months that it's been repaired. And right here on the corner, first of all, we got the steakhouse, established in 2015, so that is not new. I used to go in there and buy steaks when I lived up in this area. I think you still can, but this is new over here on the left. Man cave, it says the man cave. Barbecue, beer, wine, and coffee. Gas station. We'll walk over there. Hannah Grace is waiting patiently. Gas station. 7-Eleven. And barber and saloon. Yeah, this is new here. Zumba, let's get it on. I think it's a gym up there. Yeah, one gym, greatness and strength. Well, here it is. I gotta get in there. Poor Hannah Grace yells at me. You got these little shops over here. They've been there for a while. So, anyways, time to go to 7-Eleven. All right, we are going to wrap this one up at the store here this evening. What a nice day it was today. Sunny, perfect weather. Rode up around Clark. They're still getting the games ready up there. The what is it? Rugby and archery. They're still setting things up. They're still doing things up there. I'm not sure what day those are. I have to look online. There's what. But I'm going to check some games out. I just talked to a friend of mine. He wants to go up and check out the diving up on Clark, New Clark City. I don't know. New Clark City is in Tarlac, but then again, I've driven around Clark and I've seen signs there that says New Clark City. So anyways, I don't know what's going on. But hey, you know what? Talking about those blue caps. If anybody out there has experienced them or heard anything good about them, bad about them, leave the comments down below because I'm new to it also. So anyways, here's the store, guys. We just got back. We picked up flour, brown sugar, and white sugar, and eggs, and flour, and oil. Remember this shelf here? That shelf is getting fuller and fuller. Luda's buying more things and putting up there. I mean, she's still got boxes down there that she hasn't unboxed and put up on the shelf yet. But yeah, everything is looking good. I mean, the store's getting busy every day. I know I say that. Somebody said, yeah, you talked about how busy it was, but there was nobody there when you were talking about it. Nobody's here right now, but I'm telling you, it goes in spurts. In the mornings, it goes in spurts. In the evening, it goes in spurts. But yeah, check it out. The store is looking good. I mean, everything is selling. She's selling cases of Red Horse, cases of soda for people that are having parties here. She's got magic syrup. She's got everything you would find in like a small little store around here. Do a little walk around here. Imperadors, these are empty. See the empty bottles from the dirt. Here's our little cooking area. More cooking area. It's where Look cleans the fish and the tilapia and cuts up the pork. But here's that shelf. You can see it. It's filling up. What's busy every day. Ice cream. She has placed 2 orders already to get ice cream. Since she had it. Here's what's left of this morning's market. There's Beloy. But yeah, it's improving. Oh, hang on.
Very quick.
What item moves very, very quick? Magic syrup. Yeah.
Very quick.
Very quick. Yeah, certain things just move like crazy. Here's the traffic this evening. Here's the traffic this evening. Not too bad, Sunday. People are coming and coming. So yeah, beautiful Sunday. Very, let's see, I went up on the Clark after I got home from Clark. I took a nap. Took an afternoon nap. There's no school this weekend, or this week, here in Angeles. Here's another thing. A typhoon is coming in. And they say it might be a super typhoon. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully, you know, it won't be that bad and they'll be able to get these outside games going. But that's what's going on up here in Angeles City at our store for the day. Oh, Bosig, he's the owner. He's the owner of the store right next to us. Nice guy. So, all right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap. And this week we'll try to get to some games, check them out, and hopefully the typhoon spares the game. So, all right, look, what do you got to say? That's nice. What do you got to say? Come over here so we don't get Beloy peeing in the bathroom. What do you got to say? You want to wrap this one up?
I'm the one who wrap that one.
Yeah, wrap it up.
Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. Thank you so much, and I don't know.
You don't know what?
I don't know what to tell you.
Wrap it up.
I already did.
That's it?
All
right.
Till next time.
All right.